manufactured around 10,000 liters of sanitizer and distributed among all government authorities, district health officers and district office, KSRTC, police department, everywhere. After that, we have started our own unit. So now GLD is not procuring anything, the hygiene and healthcare materials from outside. It is all manufactured inside and distributed. In-house manufacturing is called. With that, we are saving around 1 CR per annum. So, what is the main importance of this is, so as you are all diploma students, right? After the completion of your course, what you are going to do? Some of you want to start, you want to go to diploma, some of them remaining, you want to work as a pharmacist. Okay? So you have two options. One, you have to start your own shop, another you have to work. Is there anything else? You can start your own pharmacy, retail or wholesale, or you can work in any other pharmacy, like chain of pharmacies, Apollo and all these things, or any private pharmacy. Do you have any other options also? MR. MR is not that. It is not for particularly for pharmacy people. What is the qualification to become the MR, medical representative?
Degree.
Then basic degree, all MR are basic degree only? Basic chemistry only? What is the basic qualification to become MR? Have you seen MR, medical representative? What is the basic qualification? You should have less than 25 age. Then you should have bike. They are the only two qualifications. Nimble bike ಇತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು 10th ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಎದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಮ್ ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಮ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮಸಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್. Right? Like that, you can also concentrate on production. Right? Production of what? Simple formulation. Sudic school, area of Sudic sir. Yes. Capsule, tablet, lipstick, cold cream, caramel lotion. You will have you and you commercial start ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.